Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about trips.com review cheap flight deals legit or scam in 2025. So the trip.com site is a uh, site that provides hotel bookings, flights, train, car booking, and managing some tourist tour packages and best for flight and hotel. So it less usually provides lesser uh, charges for hotel booking and flights. So uh, uh, the other other websites, so it's not that it's only have good reviews and like that stuff. It also have some mixed reviews, like uh, people usually uh, says that they face booking issues. Some users have reported issues with booking confirmations, including lost reservation and incorrect information. Customer support issues. Some users have found customer support to be slow and unhelpful, especially for last minute changes or issues. Some users have reported a lack of clarity regarding cancellation policies and other important details, making it difficult to make informed decisions. And some users have claimed that the trip.com is a fraudulent website, with some even claim they have been scammed and had their money stolen. Some users have reported difficulty resolving issues with trip.com, with some stating that credit card companies are unable to help them resolve disputes. So they also provided some positive aspects, like its user-friendly interface. Many users find the platform easy to navigate. Some users have found trip.com to offer cheaper deals compared to other travel booking websites, and trip.com offers a variety of flights, hotels, and tours. So the conclusion can be trip.com is a popular online travel agency, but reviews are mixed. While some gave some positive reviews, and then the other ones who gave negative uh, reviews while facing significant issues. Before booking with trip.com, it is important to read reviews carefully and be aware of the potential risk. One user reported a scam where they lost their money due to booking issue on trip.com, while another user reported a fraudulent issue with the site. So you are the one to choose whether you want to use this website or not. So that's it for today. See you on the next video.